Kajing ai vaksin naga benta banyada naga klam COVID-19 kelas dang menta kasngi khandru tarik ukala lingkon arhaja arpuai hamegalaya. Baru menteri rang ba kejelau konut ke sangmaru laidan lang hanigrims kawai na kijaka ba ay kanik inject. Habai kren begla patai kubor konut ke sangma ula penbena ba kumba shispa angut kinong tarai kata ka koi kakhya kinyo ay kanik inject hanigrims ba news pa lai pu arngut hakiwei pat ki district jong kejelau. Ukondot ulaban bawa lah kanika vaksin kalawan ru hindi ke jile apersha kanika kelam kandang ay beteng namar omla ban ay lut ya baro ha keju kapor kan shimpor ban pendep sakumbah riu lani prabanai lani wat shis nemru Ukondot ulapan syai ru halor ke jimbamla ban kentu be ke Southwest Castle District bar ke South Garo Hills District ha kanika kinti lani ke face ke bandingkong.
Today is a very historic day in many senses. Number one is that we have been fighting COVID-19 for almost a year now, and this has really taken a big toll, I should say, on the nation, on the economy, and individuals' lives, of every citizen of this nation. And today, this vaccine rollout is a very, very positive step towards the fight against COVID-19. We have been fighting COVID-19 in many ways, but this vaccination program and the rolling out of this is a historic day, a day to be proud, and a day for citizens of this nation and the world as a whole to feel confident that we will be able to overcome this very soon. Second, of course, it's a historic day because these vaccines which have been made in our country. And I think that has shown the power of the country and India and its scientists that we can also show the nation and the whole world of the kind of work that we can do to fight against COVID-19. So it's been a very historic day from these two perspectives. Number three, we should always remember that the fight against COVID-19 will continue. It's not that this vaccine will immediately take it away and tomorrow everything will be normal. Absolutely not. The vaccination program will take time to complete. Everybody cannot get vaccinated at the same time. Maybe this program will continue for 6 months, 8 months, maybe a year and even more. So therefore, I request and urge all the citizens of Meghalaya that we should not take it lightly. We should continue to follow all the norms and the precautions and the guidance that has been given by the health department and the government of India and government of Meghalaya. Apart from that, today we'll be having close to 852 people from the health sector who will be 832 from the health sector who will be immunized today. 100 of them are being done here in Nigrims and in the rest in the different parts of the state, and I congratulate them for being part of this program and part of this historic day where they will be the first people to be immunized. And of course, as we had mentioned, it's a process. There are 2 shots to be given, and the immunity only comes in based on scientific records and everything, that immunity will come in only after approximately 45 days post the first vaccine that's given, and second will be given on the 28th day. So therefore, they also have to be careful, and I think all the necessary arrangements have been made. First phase, we will be immunizing the health workers, and in the second phase, the frontline workers, and in the third phase, 50 plus, and people with comorbidities will also be included, and that will be in the third phase. So that is the way to roll out, and as I said again, that is a process that will take time.
Nakaliang Dr. Aman Warpat habakren begla patai kubor ulang ba benta klade ka benta jengi wei pe wei banya daya lade bat yaki wei de da ka bawan chakmat ban shim kanig injection ula pente bru ba kinong trai ka koi ka khya ki blood ban ai kanig injection kim dan jing khatai ai ula pen pau ka jing kemen barula ai ka jing songo ru ye baro ki brio jong ka jilla ki bla ai ka jetre lang baro shikata banya le parsha ya kanig ka khlam jing pang COVID-19
benta kasi kalau ulang bat ka ai do baro shikata kata ketika ada ni vaksin, benta kalau ulang, kalau ada ke benta ke seni benta, bah minyak peniada, ya tadi miniada ya kibai, di padang ni kenduk iki, dah kaba ni wan syakmat, na mentah ai kami ketika lani kami ke vaksin. Kami ke jing krek ayat mentah lah katno benai syu. Benem step syua sedang ya kami ke jing ai kami ke vaccination. Di menteri rang badu jong kejela ilawan pet ilawan bi ya jing krek barkhot bat ilai i dalani lagi dalam jong mat bang jing krek barkhot ilong ben mobiang ya hakapur sustain hadin kayo niyo ka jingkran na i menteri ramba do juga ri ka jongi ilas dang bat ai ya ka dikatika bat isdang na kinong tre kiba hakmat do kiba ikendo ya kinong pang bat ini ibongi ai ni kong niladap ai niladap pet hadin lipo minute bat ni iba gamdan ganu ka jing sidong dan ni ka jing fair hakamet ka jing hadin kata ngilara ai si kiwei kidiki nong tre ki bali jong ka hel kini kiba ya kendo ahmad ki nong pang nang tang iwan sa ya i director jong ka nikrem ki bai kendo education nomor i long charge ya anesthesiology pet high education medical student ni bari pet ya ka ENT department tidak digeladap ai geladap song live 4 minute bat kidan bangi mentak jemdan jeng DRT ya kani kajing sedang kajing ai tika ka ba hedu hakari ka ba sedang ka ba hedu hakari kelas sedang mentak bat ni next come ba kajing ang nut jeng pada ba ki baru kinwan yang kum bajulang syua ban ubi yang dipak kat urlong ia duai baru kata ba ublay try kendrat un ai gacing start ya ki doktor ya ki scientist pakinyo ya vaksin ban ai ya gacing ya dai bat mentah kana urlong bat ni ai kublay ya diberi baru jong kejelas hala kacong ke bentar gimana ai ya kajing kesan kajong ni ya kajong ki yang ni mengindile ini kajong dipang hala kajong kiyeng hala kajong di bentar kaca mengilet nyo ya kani ka kubor naki bang ibu ya pi baru hajing device bat mentang ni layo ya kani ikwa ban pentriang ya kubor lembah kajong pi ba dah kati kajingan jong ketika ngingetkan baka jingiraru kajuk por kawan lang kumju